Am I the only one that thinks spreadsheets are sexy? Yep, I said it. Alright folks, let's break it down. Imagine your money's a party and you're the bouncer. You've got to know who's coming in and who's going out. Income, that's your salary or business income. Expenses, those are all your living expenses. Now grab a balance sheet. It's like your party guest list but with a VIP section. Assets are your cool friends, things you own like houses, cars, and big cash items. Liabilities? They're the ones who never pay you back, like credit cards, debts owed to others, and bank loans. Review your accounts every 3-6 months. Think of it like a party head count. Are you running low on funds? Time to cut back on expenses. More income than expenses? Time to up that savings, trust me. Keeping tabs on your cash flow is the secret sauce to becoming rich. So get those numbers right, and soon you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Cha-ching! As the diary of a secret millionaire closes, remember, mastering basic accounting is your first step to unlocking true passive income. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and your financial journey will be legendary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to learn our secrets one by one.